Let's face it, a lifetime of sleeping on soft, cushy beds has ruined us for sleeping outside. Until now. Let me show you what I mean. Just have to find the right... Okay, this looks good. Hi, I'm Derek, inventor of the Haven tent. One day I was sitting in a hammock, and after about 5 minutes, I thought it would be so much more comfortable if my head and feet were lower and if I didn't have pressure on my sides. Well, that idea took me here, and here, and here, and here, until eventually I found my Haven. Our patent-pending design combines the best aspects of traditional tent camping with the best of hammock camping. And it's even better than I expected. Every Haven package includes the shell, straps, custom air mattress, and 2 lightweight poles. The internal spreader bars, along with the air mattress, create a flat, spacious sleeping platform while keeping you insulated and brings a previously unknown level of comfort to the world of camping, no matter how you sleep, on your back, side, and even your stomach. Pockets and loops are in all the right places. There's a spot for muddy boots, and you can even hang your pack for instant access. Unroll and clip for privacy and protection from the elements. The rainfly and mosquito netting are both detachable and can easily be adjusted without leaving your sleeping bag. After a wet night, simply shake and stuff. It packs down small and weighs less than most single-person tents and hammock camps. So what's the best part? The view. It's a shame that we worked so hard to get to these amazing places just to hide in a little tent cave, or to have most of the view obstructed by sidewalls and a rainfly. If you treasure the world you are exploring, Haven will bring it closer than ever before. Haven was designed for exploring the backcountry, but as we tested our prototypes, we found so many other applications. Take it to the park, the beach, or set it up in your backyard and let the kids go wild. This is our first Kickstarter. We have everything ready. Now we just need you. If we hit our flex goal, every Haven will ship with a travel pillow, which makes the experience that much better. So share this project and help us build a community of explorers and sound sleepers. Find your Haven and tell us about it, or keep it to yourself.